One of the most frustrating things in the world is being an agent, trying to buy leads, getting leads from all these other sources, and ultimately thinking the leads are no good. Getting ghosted by them, they start to reply and then they just disappear. The fact is, you're not spending most of your time working with clients. You're spending most of your time looking for clients. We're out there looking for jobs, looking for clients to work for, rather than actually out there in the trenches, showing homes, listing homes, doing all of the things that we need to do. Now, the big problem is lead generation isn't working well for you. You can buy leads, you can get referrals, you can have the broker is sending you some stuff. You've signed up with Zillow and Realtor.com and Commissions Inc. and all these other companies, and they charge thousands and thousands of dollars. Really what they're giving you, I wouldn't call it a lead. I would call it swiped contact information that unknowingly to the prospect was sold to various realtors, lenders, investors, that type of thing. So they're getting these cold calls and they're like, how did you get my information? Where did you get my info from? And then you start asking silly questions like, do you have someone to represent you? And then when they don't want what you're offering, because by the way, that offer sucks. Let's be really clear about that. If that's what you're offering, I'll represent your best interest. Oh, you don't have to run a search. I can run a search for you. I have a magic computer that will run the exact same search that you can. That's not a very good offer. So I always point out to agents, you can get yourself a lot of closings. And starting today, if you're doing what you're supposed to do, you're going to start attracting a lot more business and converting them into prospects. But as you know, lead generation is much like fishing. You know, I was using an analogy the other day on one of the training calls we were on, a lot of our inner circle coaching members on a call together, and I was using the analogy of fishing. It's pretty easy. When you go fishing, anybody can catch a bluegill. It's real easy to do. As a matter of fact, if you're 4 years old and someone helps you to reel in the fishing pole, you can actually catch a bluegill. You can catch a whole bunch of them. But what if you don't know what to do with them after you catch them? Let's say you're hungry, you haven't eaten in days, you taught a man to fish, you can actually teach them to catch the fish. What do you do with it now? For an awful lot of people, they don't know what to do and they're really just throwing it back. Look at your lead generation. Are you good at catching fish, maybe having them on the hook, and then you throw them back and they end up buying somewhere else? They end up going with someone else. Another fisherman is really good at knowing how to make that prosperous, make it profitable for them. Why would you change your approach when it comes to lead generation and lead conversion? If your goal is call them, email them, call them, text them, send them another mailer, text them again, call them again, and all of this time what you're trying to do is meet them, why do you want to meet them? So I can give them a presentation. Got an idea. Give them a damn presentation. Then they'll want to meet you. They'll actually see why it's a benefit to work with you. They'll see why you're different than everybody else. All the stuff going on in their head, all the objections, all the reasons they can't meet with you. My cousin's a realtor. We'll probably use our last guy that sold us the house. We're not in a big hurry right now. All of that stuff goes away. Send them the presentation. YouTube is free. Oh, I don't understand. It's technology. Do you know how to take a picture? Switch over to video and you load it on YouTube for free. Stop it. Stop the I'm 78 years old and I don't understand technology. What technology? If you can watch a YouTube video, you can load a YouTube video. You just hit load. It's very simple to do, but you'll bullshit yourself into thinking you need to keep doing it the old way. You know what your other option is? Get all those old leads that you've never converted and then wait 6 months and then call them all again and try and convert them again. You'll get the same result because they don't want the offer that you have, but you'll hear that about 15-20% of them will say, actually, we just closed on our home last month. Oh, we moved into our home 2 months ago. You will see how much money you've missed out on. And frankly, you've seen that over the years anyway. You've seen that happen to you because you're not doing a good job at conversion. The goal is not to call them. As you've heard me say a million times before, the phone is the least effective conversion device. If you get them on the phone, they'll say, can you email me something? If you are meeting them face to face, they'll say, I'm not interested. So I know that if I can get past that hurdle by giving them the presentation first, they'll know a little bit about me, they'll know my personality, they'll know I'm actually there to help because they see value in what we're doing, not that they have to jump through this hoop and deal with a stupid commission salesperson in order to get the information they want. That will allow them to procrastinate. We're not doing that. We're giving them the presentation first. Do you think this would make a big difference for you and your business? That's the type of coaching you need, not some idiot that's never sold real estate before, or worse, his dad sold real estate in the 80s, so he thinks he knows what he's doing, and he's telling you need to have a mirror there because people can tell if you're smiling when you're talking on the phone and you're not making any money. And they keep telling you to be miserable, to be humiliated, to keep begging for business in lieu of actually giving presentations to motivated prospects. Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, if you don't follow this channel, there's a good chance you're never going to see me again. I consistently put out regular content, and it's extremely helpful for real estate agents to grow their business. I want to keep you up to date on what's working so that you're in the know and you can take action accordingly. So be sure that you like and comment here, but most importantly, make sure you follow, share, and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on anything. I'm here to help you in growing your business, and I'd love to do so. Follow right now.